Allah says you want your wealth to grow. You want your wealth to grow. Zakat actually means growth in the Arabic language. Take a look at an apple. An apple is huge. 2.5% of it is the seed component. Take the seeds, 2.5%, put it into the earth. What happens? You get 1,000 apples and a whole tree and a whole orchard, because you were prepared to put back the 2.5% component of that apple. The wealthiest are the most generous. That's who the wealthiest are. If anyone is not generous, they are not wealthy. I've seen tons of people who have figures. They are not generous, so miserly, they will not give. They have amassed millions and billions that will never help them, neither on earth nor in the hereafter. These are the last nights of Ramadan. Spend every single night. See what Allah does for you. If you happen to coincide that giving with the night of decree, Laylatul Qadr, Allah will multiply it as though you gave for 1,000 months consistently. We have Laylatul Qadr every year. If I were to dedicate myself those nights, the last 10 nights every year, I would be achieving 83.3 years every single year. Amazing how many rewards I would amass. May Allah accept it from us.